Okay, so we're going to open and review this toy, the one and the only Kinetic Sand Buried Treasure. So we're gonna find the treasures, hidden gems in this Kinetic Sand. This costs for about $4.29. So my son is gonna open this for us. Okay, sit down, honey. Sit down. Okay, let's open.
Okay.
Remove that cover.
No.
Okay, I'll help you. So we removed the outer cover already. So here are the things that we're gonna find inside. We're gonna find the treasure. Try to dig it in and try to find these items inside. Cool, right? Is located at the bottom. And then I will try to open it out. So that's what's inside upon opening. Open, open, dig it, dig. There is something inside. Open, open. Come on, try to dig.
Okay.
Oh no. Try this one. Okay, let's just... Wait. Let's just pour it like that.
Wow.
Well, there you go.
Keys.
That's the treasure. Okay. Try to find the treasure. No, you have to do like this. Do like this.
Agree.
Yeah, try to find it. Come on.
I found a green.
I don't know. Try to find it.
Wow. I found it.
Is there more?
Yeah. Wow. Green.
Nice. Can you try to find it there?
Wait.
Here.
Stop.
Try to play inside the bowl. Inside the bowl. Try to play inside the bowl. Wala nang gems? That's it? Okay, so I guess that's it. No more gems.
Mommy.
It's soft.
Yeah.
Masarap siyang laruin actually. Okay, so that goes. Did you enjoy? Yeah. So we were able to find the tool, the shark tool, and then we're able to find the shovel, and then some gems, the green and blue gem, and then the skull over there, and the coin, of course, the silver coin. Yep, so that's our treasure hunt for today. Have a great day.